Next, we'll show the shaped buttonhole stitch. It looks complex, but it's like the buttonhole stitch above. The buttonhole stitch is loose. The shaped buttonhole stitch is more compact. Let's demonstrate. Using 4 strands of floss, color number 10. Bring the needle through at top right. Bring the needle down below. Be careful not to pull too tight. Leave a loop on the fabric. Then, bring the needle through above. Pull the loop tight. This forms the first buttonhole. Bring the needle down next to first stitch, right next to it. Don't leave any gaps. Bring the needle through above. Pull the floss tight. The second buttonhole is formed. The third goes next to second. Then bring the needle through above. Then pull the floss tight. Adjust with the needle. Follow the design path. Complete the whole pattern. Adjust shape to follow the design. The shaped buttonhole stitch curves when stitched. Keep it neat. This makes it look beautiful. Bring the needle down here to finish. The shaped buttonhole stitch is now complete. Let's see our finished work.